Holding tight to what I own, afraid to stand here all alone. The weight of comfort keeps me still, but change is calling, bending will. Roots of patience growing slow, learning strength and letting go. Grounded heart and steady hands, building life on shifting sands. Fear of loss begins to fade through the lessons I replay. True security starts inside, not in the walls where dreams collide. I find the calm in what remains, through every fall, through all the gains. With every trial I start anew. Patience grows where once I withdrew. Roots of patience growing slow, learning strength and letting go. Grounded heart and steady hands, building life on shifting sands.